Guys, welcome back to Dollies and Toys. And today, you guys, we are going to take a look at the Hello Kitty driving teacup. And yes, it is remote control. Isn't that cute? Now look, you have Hello Kitty driving with a little friend. And this teacup, y'all, is supposed to spin with this remote control. Let's see, y'all. Now I'm going to press the up button, the down button, all right, y'all. So it seems to do what it said it was going to do. Thank you all for tuning in. And again, y'all, 5 and below. Let's see what else they got. See you all in my next video. Bye for now.